thank you for celebrating with us and being there every step of the way. Here's to the next 30 years of Sonic.
Wait, Ivo, hold on. I don't think we are done yet. I have one more thing I'd like to show the fans.
All right, Izuku-san,
What?
let's see it.
I hope this is good. Oh, what? No way. What? What could it be? Yo. Yo. So it's a brand new game. Yo. Yo, I want to see that part again. Let's see. Wait, isn't it that part that from the Unstoppable video from Sonic the Hedgehog? Let's watch it again. Wait, it's not this part. Yes, it's this part, like right now. It's like the part where this part is from the Unstoppable video. Yo, that yo, like the pixels, they're coming out of Sonic's shoe, and like Sonic's glowing now. Yo. That was actually a nice transition. Wait. 1 second. One more time. Huh. This symbol. This has to mean something. But what could it possibly be, though? And it says that's gonna be on PS5, PS4, Xbox Series X or S, the Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, or the PC game. So it's going to be a game. Very interesting. Anyways, that was the end of this video. But anyways, like, the Sonic Colors Ultimate, that was impressive. But this, that we just watched, like, what we just replayed, what could it possibly be? Because it says it's 2022. Wait, where's it 2021? 2022. Hmm. 2022. Very interesting. What do you guys think? Like, what do you all think about this? What game could it possibly be? Wait a second. I think I just noticed something. You see the pixels? They kind of look like... Wait, I still haven't seen this. Wait, what? Like, you see these lines. Is Sonic probably like... Wait. So, where does he run from? So it doesn't really show. Does it show his face though? I mean, it only shows his mouse. The sound effects. We need to listen to it carefully. It could possibly give us a hint. I mean, wait. These effects. Very interesting. Like, the effects, like, they're different. And also, just look at how the trees move in slow motion. Just watch. Like, if you see carefully, like the trees move in slow motion. Watch. Like that. does that mean that, wait. My theory or hypothesis is that Sonic is time traveling. The reason why I say this is because that possibly could be a reason, and also like you see that like before Sonic was just running normally, and then he starts glowing, and these effects, like those effects, and then he starts going really fast. And then, as you can see, like time starts to go slow instead of Sonic's normal speed. According to this 2022 Sonic game had to do with high technology because of, yeah, like, as we can see, like, this part after this, like, it gives off a futuristic feeling. So, my guess is that Sonic is going to be traveling. Wait, I have another theory. Sonic Sonic comes from the future, and like, I mean, I'm not like, I could possibly be wrong, but it's a good guess because that means that Sonic from the future is a time traveler who went back in time. But for what reason though? Is there anything more? Wait. There has to be something hidden in that second. Hmm. Anyways, that was the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and well, I'll see you all in the next video, and I'm sorry for all of you who wanted a tutorial. I'll make a tutorial in the next video as soon as possible. It's just that the Sonic Central, like at the time that I'm filming right now, like it just came out a few hours ago. But like by the time you see this, it might possibly be that it came out on the same day. It might be possible that it came out like yesterday or 2 days ago. It depends. But anyways, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.